Hey everyone, today we're going to take a look at the HP Pavilion x360 Convertible 14-dy1047TU. This laptop offers a sleek design and powerful performance, perfect for both work and play. Let's start with the unboxing. As we open the box, we are greeted with the beautifully designed laptop. It has a 14-inch Full HD touchscreen display, which provides crisp and vibrant visuals. Moving on, the Pavilion x360 comes with an Intel Core i5 processor, which ensures smooth multitasking and speedy performance. It also features 8 GB of RAM and a fast 512 GB SSD, giving you plenty of storage for all your files and applications. One of the standout features of this laptop is the 360-degree hinge, allowing you to easily switch between laptop, tent, stand, and tablet modes. It's perfect for watching movies, presenting slideshows, or simply browsing the web. The Pavilion x360 also offers a great typing experience with its backlit keyboard, making it easy to work in low-light conditions. The laptop is equipped with a built-in webcam and dual speakers for video calls and immersive audio. In terms of connectivity, it has a variety of ports including USB Type-C, USB 3.1, HDMI, and a headphone/microphone combo. You won't have any trouble connecting your devices or peripherals. With its long-lasting battery life, you can stay productive throughout the day without worrying about running out of power. And when you do need to recharge, the laptop supports fast charging, so you can get back to work or play in no time. To sum it all up, the HP Pavilion x360 Convertible 14-dy1047TU combines style, performance, and versatility in one sleek package. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a casual user, this laptop has got you covered. Thanks for watching this review and unboxing of the HP Pavilion x360 Convertible 14-dy1047TU. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and updates.